There's no need for you today, dear Pisces, to make lots of plans for the week ahead or the next few weeks or the months ahead. I feel like the best thing you can do for yourself, in fact, is stay very clear of plans and making big plans. And it's not to say that what you love and, perhaps what you're working towards, what you want to bring to fruition isn't possible. Not at all. It's just more for today. Give yourself the space to be where you're at without trying to make plans to fix what feels uncomfortable. There are certain emotions that have been rising for you for some time now, and some of them are uncomfortable. Some emotions are very uncomfortable, and sometimes when uncomfortable emotions arise, our tendency is to make these quick plans to not have to feel how we're feeling and or to fix how we're feeling. We quickly, well, what I'll do is, I don't know, let's just say you've eaten something that you don't think you should, your brain and your mind tells you shouldn't have eaten. Then it's like, okay, great, what I'll do is I'll get a trainer and I'll start training and you don't want to make plans from that space. You've done that a million times. It's never useful. And I assure you, it's never worked out for you either. So instead of all of that and trying to fix anything, let yourself be exactly where you are. Give yourself permission to feel how you're feeling and allow everything that you're feeling to rise. It will release. It doesn't remain. None of it remains so long as you give it breathing room. So long as you take the time to acknowledge it, I see that you are here. It could be sadness, it could be grief. I see that you are here and it's okay that you are here. Rather than I need to get rid of it and make all these plans so I don't have to feel it. So you have an opportunity in your life right now, and that is to stay open and allow everything that is being stirred within you to rise to the surface and be released. No making plans today.